Hey parents, teachers, and administrators, now is the perfect time to schedule a character development assembly program with higher impact entertainment for the 2018-2019 school year. And to give you an idea of what our assembly programs look like, watch this.
Say, I am awesome. I am amazing. Is punching positive? Is kicking positive? All right, everybody say, be kind. Be caring. Be respectful. Monkey, we need to rise above bullying. Everybody say, rise above bullying. Everybody say, I can. I will. I'll try my best. To inspire. Tell a trusted adult. Tell somebody. Listen to your teachers. Follow their instructions. Say positive things. Do positive things. Think positive things. We can do anything. Everybody say, I can be anything.
Loved having Higher Impact come today to give their assembly. It was interactive, it was fun, but it also had a great message that will stay with the kids for the rest of the year and for the rest of their life.
Higher Impact Entertainment out this morning. They did a wonderful job. We did it for our 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders. All of our kids enjoyed it. I even had one class grade of teachers that really, they weren't too hip on coming. They had the conference period. They were all sure glad they came.
If you guys are looking for an upbeat, fun, and very exciting assembly, I highly encourage you to contact Higher Impact. Jeremy was super easy to work with. I was able to connect with him through email and phone. Contacting him, getting him scheduled was super simple. And not only that, we got to partner with the school, which helped lower the cost, which is huge for us. The students loved the assembly. They brought in music that was appropriate. The kids had fun. We danced. Even teachers were dancing. It was a blast. It teaches the message that not only the parents and the teachers are informing the kids of, but as a counselor, I go into every class to teach these kids these lessons about positive role models and how to be an impact in the school. And everything that we're teaching, they bring into this assembly. They have a variety. We did the Funkey Munkey assembly, and it was awesome. Everybody involved just enjoyed themselves, and I will tell you, it's very fun.
First of all, I'd like to thank Higher Impact for coming out here today and providing our students with an awesome assembly. I've been in education for 10 years, and by far this has been the best assembly I've seen for our kids for anti-bullying. Our kids were highly motivated throughout the entire assembly. It was just awesome all the way around.
We want to take the time to thank Higher Impact Entertainment for coming out to Pavilion, New York today. They did a character assembly focused, they were called I've Got the Power. Some of the key components of this program this morning here was focusing on students' potential. Very, very happy to have them out here to join us, and I would highly recommend them to any other school districts.
more information and to secure an assembly program for your school, visit us at higherimpactent.com. And if you have any questions, give us a call at 210-882-2255. Together, we can be the impact.